Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Abu Musa al-Ashari radiyallahu anhu narrates that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The example of a mu'min who recites the Quran is like the citron. Its fragrance is pleasing and its taste is good. An example of a mu'min who does not recite the Quran is like a date, which has no fragrance but its taste is sweet. And the example of a hypocrite who recites the Quran is like a flower. Its fragrance is good, but its taste is bitter. And the example of a hypocrite who does not recite the Quran is like a colocynth, which has no fragrance and its taste is bitter." Riwayat Muslim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad. Kataba, kataba, sakata, sakata, kadhaba, akala, hakama, taraka, kafara, naqada, nakaha, fataya, kadara, hafaza, zaka'a, khataya, katama, daraba, thana'a, ma'aka, kashafa, wathaqa, watara, fasala, kazama, khadaka, hakada, yadaka,